In 2014, we celebrate 10 years of the Western Australian Consumer Protection Awards, which were launched in July 2004 by the then Minister for Consumer and Employment Protection, Mr John Kibelke. At that time, there were only two categories. The award to acknowledge individuals is named after Rona Oakley, a long-time advocate of a fair and equitable marketplace.
When I was first asked, I was very dubious about the idea, but I thought about it and I decided that yes, I would accept the honour, because by doing that, each year someone else would be recognised.
The award to acknowledge organisations is named after the late Richard or Dick Fletcher, the second and longest serving Commissioner for then Consumer Affairs in WA. Since the second awards presentation ceremony, held in 2006 close to the World Consumer Rights Day in March, he's been represented by his wife Diana Fletcher.
I'm so glad Dick was able to attend the inaugural presentation ceremony of the Consumer Protection Awards. He was very proud. Consumer Affairs had come such a long way.
In 2008, the KidSafe WA award category was added to recognise those who contribute to childhood injury prevention in WA, particularly through product safety. The CEO of KidSafe WA, Scott Phillips.
It's a fantastic opportunity to be involved with consumer protection, and it is a significant award in the West Australian community, so KidSafe are privileged to be part of that.
Scott says the variety and calibre of winners makes it hard to single anyone out.
The highlights for me is all of them. It's just interesting how it can be a big organisation takes the reins on one thing that they want to do. For instance, road safety, down to the individual who, because of a personal tragedy in their family, fights for 10 years to get legislation changed around curtain blinds.
In recognition of the invaluable role that the media plays in disseminating consumer protection messages, a separate media award category was introduced for the first time in 2012. Commissioner for Consumer Protection Anne Driscoll believes it was a crucial addition due to the powerful role played by journalists in raising awareness.
The media are very skilled at telling stories in a way that impact us and are meaningful to us within the community. And of course that then drives the reinforcement of our laws in businesses. And of course, when there's a risk out there, it also means that people are alert to that risk and likely to act on it.
After attending all 10 Consumer Protection Awards, the Commissioner hopes they will continue for many years to come.
The day is quite humbling. There are many people that are operating on a shoestring and they make such a great contribution. And it's fantastic to be able to take just one afternoon out and congratulate those people, but also be in such a beautiful environment as we've been able to have with both Kings Park and UWA.
The Consumer Protection Awards has seen many changes, but each year the Director General of the Department of Commerce, Brian Bradley, has chaired the judging panel. It has been his difficult task to select winners and finalists from the many deserving nominees. Such outstanding work has been achieved by individuals, organisations, local governments, businesses and the media, all striving to advance consumer protection and product safety issues in our community. At this 10th year of the awards, we acknowledge the work not only of the past winners and finalists, but of all the nominees who are champions of consumer protection.